Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda 6. It's right here behind me. Why don't we take a look? We're going to start right away up front. You have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. And then we're going to take a look on the inside. You have leather interior here on the inside. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. Swinging around to the back end, you have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.